Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. It's been so long since I've posted another plan with me. I'm so sorry. I tried to make him go live on Wednesdays, but that didn't happen because Christmas was this week and I was with family. And honestly, I've had it recorded, but I couldn't get time to do the voiceover. Anyways, I just recorded my screen this week so that way you guys could see this and I didn't have to set up like a station so you could see my hand and stuff. I know that I personally like it a lot better when it's not just a screen recording, so this isn't going to be the normal for me, but just whenever I have to do these plan with me's on the go, I definitely do a screen recording instead. So I'm starting with this kit from Sabine Elise Designs. I have a coupon code down below in the description of this video for 10% off. So please head on over to her website if you'd like to get a kit from her. Her kits are just printable kits, but I use them for digital planning. And you can get her kits and just print them out and use them normally as well. So I laid down all of the date headers today, and now I'm writing the dates on here. This is from the week of Christmas, so it's super holiday-y and full of like red and green and gold. This kit's really great for the Christmas week. I'm using these chubbies that I have. They were a freebie from my shop earlier, and I realized that I had forgot to make them transparent in the background, and then once I did that, I forgot to record my screen again. So here we are all the way on Wednesday, and I'm so sorry you missed all of that. But essentially the process of planning in digital planners is the same. The only thing I want you to notice is those chubbies. They're so stinking cute, and also where it says like Christmas over there on the far left, I did not write that. I have some script stickers which are another freebie in my shop, so head on over to my Facebook page where you can get those things for free. There's absolutely no obligations. You just head on over there and download them from my Google Drive. So I have a couple of different free items, which are some scripts and those holiday chubbies and a few other really cool chubbies as well. I was struggling a little bit to find different things to plan this week because obviously I'm not home, I'm with family, and we're just like, doing fun Christmassy things. So I didn't really have any major plans. This spread that I use, where it's just, I guess, like half of the normal size of, say, like an Erin Condren, is perfect for when you don't really have a lot going on or when you don't need to mark a lot down. You can just mark like 2 or 3 things, put in a cropped full box or something like that, and you're good to go. I'm using this Grumpy Bear sticker to mark that little section down there at the bottom. These Grumpy Bear stickers are actually a vellum, I do believe, from her shop, and I just made the background transparent, and then I use every single different Grumpy Bear head from the vellum as a different icon. I have another tutorial on my YouTube channel about how to make the background transparent if you're interested in doing something like that. On not New Year's Eve, the day after Christmas is when I was doing Christmas with my family. Since my husband and I live in different states, when our families live in different states, we have to split up the way that we do Christmas. So we do Christmas Day with his family, and then the day after Christmas with my family. Next, I'm marking down this payday sticker, and the back part of the payday is transparent, and I wanted to make it white, so I just scribbled and then I put the sticker over top of it. It's funny that I do that because then I go in here and I think I completely change it, but it's fine. That's just a little hack. Whenever there's something transparent, you can just color and then like cut the sticker and repaste it, and then it will be on top. See, here I am completely redoing that whiteness. I don't need it anymore. I love these half boxes that with the design in the background. I think I just really like the ones with design in general, including like the full boxes and stuff. I'm looking through my sticker book here trying to decide what the heck I want to do. this happens every once in a while, especially when I don't really have anything planned. I'm like, what stickers do I have? What could I mark down? I'm using this Create with Pen sticker of like a husband and wife or a boy and a girl, and I'm writing down that I have Bailey Christmas, which is my extended family Christmas with like my grandma and all my aunts and uncles and cousins and everybody. Again, I use that Christmas script, so it looks like I have perfect handwriting. I did write that Christmas, but I wrote it in Procreate, so it's easier to write in Procreate than it is on the GoodNotes app. And then on Sunday, I almost always mark my dinners, but because I didn't have anything planned, I figured I would do some sort of to-do checkbox and get more use out of that during the week than a dinner's schedule. And then lastly, I'm doing my habit tracker. I believe I track Instagram, which is what I've been tracking a lot lately. That little chubby with the camera is from my shop, and I didn't track Instagram. I guess I tracked vlog. That's funny because I should know that. If you guys would like to check out my vlog channel, I'll have it linked in the description, and you can follow my husband and I. We just do like little daily vlogs, or almost every day we vlog in the holiday season, and it's really kind of fun, and you just see what we're doing every day. I mean, we don't have really fancy videos, they're just vlogs. And then this bottom section here, I usually put my mood tracker, so I copied it from last week so I didn't have to go find it in my sticker book. And then I'm putting down deco to fill in that blank spot because I don't really have much that I need to put there, so I'm freehand cropping that and then placing it down there. And that's it for my plan with me this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!